Hi y'all, welcome to Cajun Cooking TV. Today I have something special for you. And if you have never heard of a cooking blender, then I've got one to show you. So stay tuned. Before I begin, please consider subscribing and press that bell notification so you'll know when I post the next video of either me cooking or giving a product review. So here we go. All right, y'all, we're back. And again, we're doing a product review on the Pampered Chef Cooking Blender. It's a magnificent power tool for your kitchen. And so much so, we're going to show you the heated function. And this is called heated puree. And I'm going to make you a sweet potato puree, which could be excellent for making a sweet potato casserole, or we've also used it for carrot souffle, which is very similar but with carrots. Love it. So let's get started, and it's really simple. Instructions are in the great little guide here under the heated puree section. And so it only calls for 3 ingredients. 3. Nothing else. So first off, and it's important to do it in the order. So in this case, I want a half a cup of water to be at the bottom because that's what's going to heat up, of course. I have 2.5 cups about of chunked sweet potatoes. I peeled them and cut them. You need a really sharp knife because it was hard. But I have a little prep mat here that shows you all the different sizes of diced and chunks. So that was helpful. So let's get all this in here. Look how pretty that looks. All right. Oh, a half a teaspoon of salt. Almost forgot. Put 2 in there. I'm going to turn that on. And now we're going to turn our dial to heated puree. Very easily marked. Oops, I think I passed it up. There it goes. So this one's going to heat up to 212, so it's basically going to boil those sweet potatoes for us and mash them. All in one pot. So we're just going to press start, and we'll see you in a little while. On the air. All right, y'all, we're back. It was only a 30-minute cycle. Our sweet potato puree is ready, and it's a great consistency to start, with a sweet potato casserole or a souffle. But look at this, and once it cools a little, this would be great homemade baby food. That looks awesome. Of course, this tastes good just like it is, but I'm sure it would taste better with some brown sugar and vanilla in there too. So it's really, really hot. But it's good. So while we're talking about the heated puree, I do have recipes available for other baby foods like pear, apple, carrot, sweet potato, and green peas. So we've got some recipes that we can provide to you. But great for making sweet potato puree. Now I'm going to keep eating it. Okay, y'all, so that has been our product review of the Pampered Chef Deluxe Cooking Blender. It has great pre-programmed settings. I've used them all now except the milk, but I just love it. We use it at least once a week to make cheese sauce. So if you'd like more information, I'll put the contact information and links to my Pampered Chef website down in the description below. And as always, we're happy to help you and answer any questions in our comments. So, ask away. And check out this next video that I think you'll like right up here.
It's a wrap.